Well, this is Nikita Sharma in front of you all, and today is time of reporting. So this is the ground report. We are going to ask some questions on regarding this session, how it is going on, and I am just going to inquire that how they are feeling regarding this session. So, ma'am, what do you want to say?
Well,
Regarding this
well, I
age,
want,
regarding this age.
well, I want to say that it is an amazing experience for me. First day I thought that it is going to be boring, but as the day passes, it is becoming more and more interesting and also enhancing our communication skill. That's all.
Yes, you, ma'am.
At first, I feel very boring. At first, I feel very boring, but when days are passing, then.
But I found that you came late.
Yes, I didn't get an idea. I have no idea, and I got no later.
I think you have said forcefully.
No, it's no forcefully no. I got no later. That's why I'm here coming late.
Okay. Okay, now it is that my good friend Mukul, she will share her experience about this session.
Hello to everyone. There's not much to say. The enthusiasm and the happiness can be seen on my face every time. I'm enjoying all the sessions and I'm loving everyone's company, especially yours. Thank you.
Okay. What do you want to say, ma'am, regarding the compound of this area? Do you have any pressure or something like this that you are feeling?
No,
What
there
is
is
your
no
feeling?
pressure. No, there is no pressure.
Come closer.
It is very beautiful about ground.
About ground.
Yeah.
Yes.
And nice to come here. We learned a lot from here.
Have you been here for before?
No.
Is this your first time?
Yeah, it's my first time.
Okay. So, what is your experience regarding this campus?
I think I also learned a lot here. First of all, I also when I there forcefully sent here, I am rejected it for coming.
First of all, you have rejected.
Yes,
Yes. Refused to come here.
Refused to come here. Yes.
Okay.
And, then
How you got convinced? How you convinced yourself? Are you
It's a-
enjoying the training program, the orientation program?
yes, I'm enjoying.
What is the enjoyable thing?
Each and every sessions are enjoyable.
The activity.
The activity-based sessions also I enjoy.
Okay. Tell us something about that the activity you have participated.
Within 3 days, many activities have been done.
Okay.
One activity I have taken part, word change.
Word-
That seems very enjoyable to me, and according to me, it is very applicable on children also. Second activity is taking the teacup, that is held today, and self-introduction is also interesting. From this, we became familiar to each other and know something about somebody presenting here, and so many other activities such as online test that
Okay.
will be also very knowledgeable,
Okay.
and it seems that is very correct for us, not for children, but we can give children on copy. Their mobile is not available for those children,
Okay.
and such kind of sessions are very enjoyable to me.
Okay. Thank you. But I have a question. Do you really think that the thing we are learning here is appropriate for the secondary level student? What do you have to say about it?
I think these things are appropriate if we will use it in appropriate manner. Means that we will not apply the same thing, but at the same thing with higher level.
How we can apply for those students who are studying in secondary level or
In our class we can make them practice like the thing that we are practicing today is reporting. We can make some students to come in front and giving them the task to report. It will enhance their capacity also. In this way we can promote
I
students.
have more questions regarding this that we have found in Vidya Bharati schools. Students are sorry. So in Vidya Bharati schools, we have found that imposing or just practicing English always criticized. Okay. So what do you think? Is it appropriate to will be appropriate to implement this training program on them at the secondary level or something or senior sections?
Actually, I think that English is not criticized in Vidya Bharati. I guess Englishism is criticized.
Englishism. What is Englishism?
Englishism is applying all the English manners and cultures in our behavior, but according to Vidya Bharati, the main goal is that the children should learn English as a language and not the cultures and manners of the Western side. We should